Let's see if we got anybody in here this morning. I think this has. All right, guys, we should be live. I hope we are. Had a little bit of technicals this morning on the other side this morning, not with me. So we are just trying to see if we're live this morning. So we're going to be good. So we're going to try to get our channel up here so I can see. Okay. Anyway, so guys, we got about 6 minutes for the market. Well, 5 minutes for the market opens this morning. We only got 5 minutes for the market opens, and we're going to be waiting around for just 1 minute because we don't really have a big level that we're going to be messing with right now, but we are. I've just got to find it real fast. But the funny thing is this could be one of those days where we run back up and punch through the high, which I called yesterday, or it could be one of those days where it's, I don't know. One of those days where we see a big major pullback, or maybe not even a pullback, a stack, that I call it, where they kind of all stack in and get killed trying to go long. So, okay, so right here, guys, where we're sitting at, you can see that we did almost reach where I wanted to go yesterday. This was my well, I think it was what 70. Yeah, I think it was right here. Well, we're gonna put it right there anyway for now, because for some reason my bottom of the chart's missing. Okay, guys, hang on. Let's get this right. We can't have that going on either. This chart right here, guys. There we go. You got to have it right, man, because I have to see both sides for tools. See the tools over there? You got to see the tools, man. Right? Okay, so this chart here, guys, we know that we came over here. I think it's right here. I think it's like 78. I'll put it 50 right here. But anyway, we didn't get there. Okay, so that's all I care about. So right in here, you see the balances of yesterday where we broke above these highs and we came to here. You see this right here now, guys? How this low pull is right there, right? You get that low pullback right there. So see how we're staying in between the low pullback and the highs? Or we can just mark this right here for now, yes, and keep it for a moment. So you get this box, and you guys can see how she just did nothing, right? So now we either A, come up, do a big breakout, or B, we come down and start falling. Okay. Remember, you got this down here to like the 970 or 77, I think it was. Right there. It's like right there, 80. So we got this down here. We got the mid right here, guys. Remember the mids? And they were at the 470 area, 460, 470, somewhere right there. Perfect. So see, this was the bulls protection area, right? So I wonder if the bulls are trying to protect the same area or not wanting to go back to the low, which we don't think they would. So if I was the bulls, I would protect this area around the 766, which is about 200 points down, right? Which sounds like a plan. So guys, where's our first trade this morning? Okay, so it's 28 after. Our first trade this morning is going to be right here at the 54 and 78. 54, 78. And those are box levels that we can trade on in 977. So anything above 54, 58 is going to try to roll. I think it's, and there it goes before I can get in. Really? It's all right. 60, 58 right here. Let's see, right there. See that? See, like 58, 60 right here, guys? 58 and 60 are the place to be this morning if it's going to run up, okay? Because that's the perfect start of a move. And I would want this until you get to the 72, 74, because if it don't break up here and break that 77, it's not going to happen. But if it does break the 77, we are going to lose. If it breaks the 75, we have one shot at it because it's a retail level. So 75 is my level for retail. 78 is my professional level. So there you go. But we'll go ahead and just take the $2,000 and be done. Right? See what I mean by taking 2 grand and being done? There you go. This is why. These you got to be careful with, guys, because these are going to get pullbacks. But it's not going to be as big as pullback as you think, because if we don't get under 58, we're not going back down. Period. So we're already in. We're already in and we're running. All right, there we go. So now we just got to break the. We just got to stay above 78, guys. You stay above 75, 78, the trade goes to about 30,020. See that? Now we're trying to go right back. We're trying to go up, guys, if we can. If we can't go up, as long as they don't go to 58, I'm fine. When it goes to 58, you got to worry. See that? Oh, there's the 58 right there. See it, guys, right there, 58. You're going to see that 58 come through, because why? There's a massive pullback at 58 if they want it. 58.75. So we're just going to keep trading that 58 long. 58.75, guys. Ta-da. Easy money. All right. So we'll start seeing it kind of move. Now we got traffic up here, guys. We know we have traffic, okay, from 58 all the way up to about 30,100. So let's just go do this. Let's just make this easy for you guys. Okay, look, let's just put this. Let's put this right here at the traffic area. Right there. And that goes exactly through the traffic, right? Right there. There you go. There's your traffic box. Done. So now, guys, we're just waiting. We're just waiting to see if we're going to push. And the next, I think if we can break this traffic area, I think the next level up, I think the Bulls are trying to look for around 15, guys. You know, they want to look for 15 high up there, but you just got to take it and run, guys. Don't let her pull back and take your money, okay? Now, remember, if it goes to 58, guys, remember, we can always get in again. There's always a place to get in again, right? And we already know where that place is going to be, right? 58. But you've got 43 right here also. Now they've established the 43 entry. So now we know it's 43 and 58 because the Bulls just went lower. So there you go. So now we're going to take the 43 long or 44 long and push that up. Use the 45 long. Perfect. Anywhere between 43 and 58, you're golden. This is going to run anyway. Right back to 77. There you go. All right, this is 2 times already been 4 this morning. Let's go. $94. $94, guys. Next entry. Pull it back again. You're going to have that 78 pullback, guys. I'll see you guys on YouTube this morning. And I got my YouTube chat up. There you go. Let's go. Let's keep running. Should be. We should start seeing it. Try to get to. Well, it's already there. Never mind. Okay, so the next move it should be between 15 and 20 right here. 30,000 15, 30,000 20. That's the estimated move this morning on this pull. But the thing about it is, if you can't break the other highs, guys, it won't happen. You still got to stay above the 92 to make it work. I mean, you have to have 92 here. 92, and you still got to get back to what the 5. 92 and 5 are important. There's your 5 right there. Can we push this to 10 and 12? And there's the 10. All right, if you're still trying to get an entry, guys, there is another entry up here about 18 and 12. The pullback will be 92. So good morning, everybody. I can see your chat. I see nobody on chat this morning. Where's everybody at? You're all focusing, aren't you? Damn, we got 91 people, 93 people. Let's go. We're almost 100. All right, guys, we're just trying to push up through the box. We just want to keep this trade, and we want to hold this to 20. There's the 20. Now we want to see if we can bust this 20 because we want to get up here to our goal of about 93, 100 up there. But we know we gotta have to do what? We gotta break the 20, guys. You have to stay above the 20. You gotta get 20 to if you want to make this work, it's not to go back to 20. No. 30,020. Because if we don't get 30,020, she's gonna pull back. But see how they pull us back and we make money, guys? And what? Now, if we get the big pullback here, we got to be careful in these shorts because what we don't want to do is get in a short right now and get killed. Okay. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So, right about here, it's about right there. It might be even the 8. Right under this line right here, guys. See this red line? You see the red line here, guys? This red line is what happened there? There was a red line. Okay, let's go back. Look at this shit. Okay, what are you doing? There you go. Let's just do it this way. It wants to be crazy. We'll do it this way. There. You see the red line? This red line, guys, is where we do not want to be as a bull. We don't. It's going to short there. Okay, so guys, we're going to wait till she comes back down or wait till she pulls back up to our targets. All right, so we know we got the longs there at 45. We get the longs at 58. Okay, 58.45. Now I'm waiting on this because it looks like they're trying to pull it back, but I don't think they're going to. I think they're going to run it again, guys. I really do. And we want to get back here to 58 if we can. Oh man, I missed the 58. It's way up here at the damn 80s. Well, I got the 78 entry right here. So you get the 78 entry and the 58 entry. So I'll just go and take the 78 entry. So anyway, we're right in that area. So we're just going to go ahead and go take it 78, 80, and then just go with that because we just got to clear 92. So if we don't clear it, guys, we wait, get right back in the same entry we had. Now, if you want to get a lower entry, the pullback, mouse, the pullback here is going to be probably the same as 58. It's going to be probably 58 and 45 again. So we always can get back in there, guys. So all we're doing is waiting for the entries and getting in and making money. That's all we're going to do. 78, 58, 45. Take your pick. That's all we want to do, guys. We want to just get now. If we can get these low ones right down here. Oh, wait a minute. We are definitely going to take these lower entries. Right. We're definitely going to take this 45, 55 entry here. Right. We want to get these entries because what we want to do is we want to see it spike at a lower price. If we can get lower in the trade to make our money go up. We want to get down to 45, 44 if we can, even 55, 57. Because we know it's going to go back to 70, guys. It's going to go back to 70, 75. You're going to make that points, those 20 points between 50 and 55 and 75. And that's what we're trying to do. We're just trying to get those 20 points right now until this market stabilizes. Let it stabilize, take the 20 points, and just get in. There you go, 7 grand. Perfect. So here we go, guys. Now we got to get right back where we were. We still got to get the 20, guys. We got to get 12 and 20. 12 and 20 is the key here. So what am I going to do? If this doesn't go, I'm just going to take this $4 grand and book it. Bye. See ya. Work on another trade. Because if it pulls back, I'm not losing money here. Taking money. The big pullback on this is, like 92 is a dangerous area, I really think. So we're above the 20 now. Now can we go ahead and just go up there and hit like the 35, 36? There he goes. So you want the 35, 36 to 48 next. Now, where's this big trade going to happen at, guys? 27. 27 is a big level, guys. It's not a big level for us right now, but it's a big level for the bulls. The 27 is that push level. They know if they can get 27 and everybody can buy in at 27, they're going to make this market run up to 100. 27 is the key to getting to 100, guys. We want 100. We got to get 27. Okay. Come on, 12. Let's go. Remember, guys, take profits. Don't let it come back and kill you. That's not financial advice. That's just letting you know not to be dumb, right? Because we've all done it. All right. So we're just trying to come up here, guys. Hang on a minute. I'm looking at another area. So what in the world do we got going on up here? All right. So basically, we're just trying to clear it, guys. We can get past this. If we can get past the 27, I think we can actually run up again. But we know the box stop right here, guys. We're trying to get to. Run this 100 up here. Right here. Right in this area. Right there. So good. Keep going, boys. Let's go. Push these bulls. Let's go. Come on, bulls. Let's go. 27. 25, 27, guys. All we can have. Nobody's putting anything in the chat this morning. Everybody's stuck. You guys are like looking at that chart, like, wow. You should see 37 and 40 now. Okay, you should start seeing the 37 and 40. You should start seeing the 48, 56, 70. I'm done. Yep, we're done, guys. 13 minutes. Again. It's a nice push, though. All we're waiting for, guys, is we are trying to get up here for the bulls to establish the 90. The 90 is going to be fun. Let's go. We're getting there, guys. We're trying. We just got to keep pushing, guys. And we got to stay above the 22 area. Yep, 19 to 22. Okay, so you want 19 and 22. Now, I think there's going to be a massive move, man, somewhere around that 84. I think 84 could be really dangerous for bears. I really think we could really see the market run. at 84. So it should be right about right there. 84, 85 right there. That's exactly what I'm thinking the Bulls are thinking. We just got to keep going. The next entry up, guys, if you're looking at if you can't find an entry, guys, it's 35. 35 is another entry going up. Okay. The big pullback on that, if you want to get another entry on the bottom of 35, it's going to be somewhere around the 12. 12, you can do 12, 13. So 12 and 13 and 25 and 35. I would just stick to 13 though and 35. I wouldn't worry about the 25. It's too close for a pullback. So you got 35 pushing. There he goes. Remember, guys, if you are trading this late and you're picking these entries, all you want to do is grab that 10, 12 points and bail. Wait for it to pull back, rinse and repeat. All right. Come on, 84. Let's go. Hope you guys are doing well this morning. We got about 88 watching. We had 91, 92 things right in that area. People made their money and left, I guess. But if you made your money and you got off, I'm happy. It means you're being responsible. You don't want to trade it all day and trade it away. All right, guys, we're still trying to breach this 35 up here. Because the Bears know they got to pull back from 35 to 12, so that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to get that short, and it's not working for them. So we got to hold that 35. We're going to have to keep it. We got to keep the 35, and we're trying to get back to 70. 70 is another entry, guys, on the north side also. Woo! Let's go. 90 people watching. I hope you're having a great day, guys. Remember the 84, guys. I really think 84 is special. I'm just saying. Unless the Bears try to whack us at 84. It's possible. I'm just kind of watching all my charts. I do have a red line up here that we had a problem with before, and that's exactly where the high was sitting at. So I had marked this previous a long time ago about the 73, 73.75 up there, but we touched that area, but we haven't went through it yet. So that was where the Bears were. The Bears were there a long time ago, but I think they were there in like mid-July. So we got to come up here and punch this 73 out of the way again. But we right now, all we're trying to get ahead of is 55, 56, 58, 35, 45. Those areas we got to come through. Little tiny steps for retail. We want to step the market up, guys, like we always do. Remember the boxes we drew yesterday? You can see them over here on the screen. Remember those steps we took? This is what the Bulls are trying to do today. They're trying to step the market up. But really, they can't step the market up until they get to 84. It's just not going to work. Oh, weird. We got a few little areas in here that are just popping in here. It's like, wow. I got little notes, guys. Remember I told you I had notes that I always use? So I'm pulling my notes over to the side because a lot of these notes are in the area that we're in right now, especially between the 14 here and the 35. I got several notes here that this was a disaster. So this is where these bears were at before. All right, we're just trying to wait, guys. Can we get back up there? So you see the pullback. So guess what? We're scaling out, guys. Now the guys will try to go long again. The bull will be long again at 12. 12, 13. If they're going to make this work, you got to hold 12, guys. So if you can't get 12, now we can get a pullback trade on this too, and that could not be the same place we were, like 98. You know, 98 and 12. Can't be scared. Hold. Here we go. Man, we got 94. Come on, we need 6 more people. Let's go. People quit dropping out. Let's roll. There's 92. 12, guys. It's that same entry, 12. Same one. They're still trying to dominate the 12. It's crazy. As long as we don't get to 58, we're fine. 58 pullback, guys, where these guys don't want to be. The Bulls don't want to be at 58. They know that. These Bears might let us take some of this now, and they might try to get us back. So if we get back down to the 58, guys, we're probably going to be shorting down there somewhere after that. But I think we're going to go a little lower on that short, maybe, if it comes through. But as you can see, this is pulling back. So scale, guys. Scale your trades. Scale. Just leave one in, one or two in. If you're trading with 3, go to 1. Not financial advice. It's just good practice. It's good practice to scale your trades, guys. You go from 7 to 2. You know, like I'm going to scale. I can always add back in, guys. You can always add back in. So we want the 12 to keep going, though. Remember the 12? There it is again. Perfect calls, guys. 12 is perfect, man. I don't see any. I don't see any messages on the chat this morning. It's kind of strange. You guys are usually talking to me. Let's go. We're just waiting through the storm, guys. Remember the 25, 26? We're still sitting here waiting. 12. So the Bulls are looking at 12 and 22 now, which is strange. So 22 is kind of weird, but that's okay. We just want to make sure that we don't pull back to 58. Now, the other entry on this pulls back is going to be 80, guys. 80 is that savior area. If it pulls back to 80, she can go long again. It's 80.25. 80 and 12, 22. Remember, guys, 80, 12, 22. Gonna be a lot of people make some bad entries this morning because this thing is like really, really hard to trade unless you know the area. As if you don't know the areas this morning, man, you're gonna get smoked. And this is like I said yesterday, you give out big money, they're going to take money today. They just want to see what all they can get out of you. So let's go, guys. Let's hold this and see what happens. We've got to get back though. We've got to get back to 12, guys. If we don't get back to 12, it's not going to work. We have to have that 12 to keep this market moving. 12 is the key, guys. Whoop, and there it is. See that fall right there, guys? That's on purpose. What is she going to do? She's going to pull back to 92. 92, 94, because they want to get to 12 again. See that right there? 92. 92, 94. This is where we need to save the market. We need to hold this 92, 94 and see if we can push it right back up again. So the bears have established, hey, we got pullbacks, right? But we know they haven't got to 58, so we're still safe, guys. There's not a short until after 58. Unless you want, we get a shorted from the top, I'm sure, but I don't fight the trend, guys. I don't. There's no sense fighting the trend on a bull day because you're going to lose. Well, there we are, 12. 12 is perfect, guys. We need 12 to go, back to about 35. Remember the 22 also. 22, I like 22. I don't. It's not really a level, but they've been coming back to it a lot, like over and over and over. They get hitting the 22, 22, 22. So if they keep bouncing off that 22 and 12, guys, they keep trying to push this market. We know the 94, 92 down below us is the way to get back in to go back up anyway. So you got 92, 94 at the bottom on the pullback, and you got 12 and 22. All right. So we're looking at that, saying, okay, if we can hold those, we got to get past the 50 up here. We know that. Okay. So if we can get past the 50, something else will start happening. Because our goal is the 80, 90. That's what we're trying to get to. I really think, remember I called the 84 earlier. I think the Bulls have kind of structured that a little higher this time. They kind of pushed that to the 90 area. So I think the Bulls are wanting the 90. I think they're wanting 30,090. And I think that's going to be the push level. And that could be where big money's sitting also. If big money's sitting there, you're going to know because it's going to take off. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's keep pushing, guys. Now, the small entries in this, they're going to be trying to capitalize on some entries up through here, these late entries like 51 and 57, and the pullback of 41. Ooh, there goes a nasty pullback. But that pull is going to probably hit 25 again, 25, 22. Remember, 22, guys, 22 and 12. There it is again. Same thing. Now, this is the 10 o'clock candle coming through, right? We know this. As you guys can see, the 10 o'clock candle is important. So now we're seeing the 10 o'clock candle. Now, what we don't want to see is that 10 o'clock candle come all the way down here and to the 956 area. 956 is not good. It's like right up in here. This could be a problem here. 56, 56, 58. So if the bulls let it come back down, that's fine. But they're still going to be trying to work off the 12 or the 94. There it is. Come on, bulls. Let's go. It's a big day, guys. It really is. You got 100 people watching. Guess what? We're going to give away an account this morning. That's cool. All right, so we're back down, right? So what are we doing here, guys? Watch. We're either going to fade back up right here or we're going to have a big pullback, okay? Now what we're looking for is it to hold these entries above the 56. We got to stay above 956, guys. If we get down to 956, we are going to have to change it, right? We've already scaled anyway. But 956. Now watch what we're going to do here. Watch. See this 956 right here? That's your short. 956 short on the pullback, guys. It's not going to be a big short probably for now, but we're going to take it anyway because we know it's there. Okay, we're going to take that 956 short. Our target down there is 22. Actually, no, it's 24. So if we get the 24 down here, we're going to hold this and see if we can get to the 901. Okay. And if we don't, we're just going to scale out, take profits, and go back long again. So we just kind of wait to see if she gets 22, 24. Now remember, this is just a pullback, guys, right? But we also know that this is a good pullback under that 58 level I was telling you about. This is what we're looking for on that short side. So if you can get a couple of grand here, guys, that's fine. You know, it's like, you're going to have that big short here at the 44, and the 44 goes to 24. Okay, 44, 24, 24 down. 24 down to 901. We just don't want to be back across the 58 again. Okay. But 58 is going to go long again. So we'll take some money out of this and then we'll go back long again if we can. Remember, 58 long, guys. See this right here? Now watch. See how they're trying to get back to 58? Okay, so we focus back with the bulls now and wait. Right there. See that? So they're going to try to mark this right here at this 58, 59 to see if they can get right back into another long. See that? And this is how you kill bulls and bears, guys, on both ends of the market. As long as you know the target, you can get back in and make money. Now remember, the short, anything under 58 is a short. Okay, I'm just telling you, I'm not even trading this right now. I'm just going to tell you guys, 58, 44 shorts. Okay, this is what they're trying to work on. I will try to show you in a second. Okay, with mine. So 58, 44 short, guys, are where we need to be here. If we can hold the 44, we can go back down again. If not, we're going to go right back long at 58 because that's what's going to happen. This could be just a fake pullback, which is fine with me because we can get longs up here if we can. I've got my mark for the long. I'm waiting to see this going to go back to 58, guys. And there it is. I got money out of that too. See, we just took two shorts off that little crap, and now we come back and get along for like 20 points. Awesome, isn't it? But we know 58's established It's where they're going to establish that every time. It's crazy. It's crazy because hey, we don't mind playing with bears and getting some money with them. We took the same money they just took. But the problem is a lot of people didn't know the 58 was a target, guys. They went in too early or too late and got nailed. So now what are we gonna do? We gotta come right back to 13, 12, 13. If we get 12, 13, we're gonna run again. We have to establish 12, 13 on the bull side. Okay. We got to hold that. And if you get under the 58, it's going to go short on you. Let's roll. How y'all doing out there this morning? 100 people. I'm impressed. Thank you for joining the room, guys. Every morning, guys, we do this every day. Yesterday was killer day yesterday. We had a big giant long that we just made money on all day long. So now we're just trying to get in here this morning and just take some money out of this until she makes her mind up where she wants to go. I still think the Bulls have a chance to make this run, but I think they're going to let the Bears play, and I'm sure they're going to let these Bears play a little bit, guys, on you, and it's going to be 58 and lower. So, but we don't mind the pullbacks as long as she keeps going north. You know what I'm saying? Right now, we're just trying to get out of this red box that we're in. We're trying to establish the 94. We're trying to establish the 12. We're trying to establish the 30,022, the 35. I mean, we've got all these things we got to do as bulls that right now we're not doing. And it's really kind of not, it's really kind of annoying because I would think this market would have ran up higher at the open this morning. And it looks like to me we're trying not to hit the 90. They're trying to keep us from hitting that 90, guys. They don't want us getting to 90. Come on, boys, let's go. 12. 30,012. That's where you got to be. It just plays around, it pulls back. It's like, come on, man. It's craziness, isn't it? Guys, if we could just ever stay above the 12 here, we got to hold 12. 12 is a good entry, too. I mean, you got 12 and you've got 7 here. Both are entries, 12 and 7. You can get both of those, but they won't hold it. And then you got 94 below us, another entry. They're working off the previous entries they had because they're just trying to save the market, guys. They want to save this market if they can. So they're going to keep pulling back the same entries and going the same way every single time. And we know this. So it's 994 and or yes, yeah, 94 and 12 and 7. And so it's like they just keep doing the same thing over. I'm watching it right now. When I get this close to the screen, guys, you know I'm watching these charts, let you know. And see how we get 12 right here, guys? Now, what we want to do is we want to see if we can get 12. The target off the 12, guys, has always been the 50, or excuse me, 35. So the 12 goes to 35, and that's what we're trying to get. So we need 12 to hold and push to 35 and see if we can get to jump more. And it's just not doing it. Ooh, mercy. Come on, Bulls. The reason we're doing this, guys, is because traffic. The reason we're doing this is because you got this traffic area in here, okay? So I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. Let's see, what is it? 95. So we're going to take this box right here, okay? And we're going to draw this at 985 right here. Right there. Okay. That's your traffic area. That's what starts the traffic for the bulls. I didn't want to do that. Try and get it right. It's just so close, guys. It's hard to do. It's really, really close. Right there. Okay, there. There we go. There. That's your traffic box. We got to get out of that blue box. We got to maintain above it. Okay. You gotta be sitting above this blue box. This is where the traffic's laying. This is where everybody's trading at long, short, pullback, long, short, pullback, rinse and repeat, right? So we know the 12 is above that box. And that's what we gotta have. We gotta have the 12. Right there. See the 12? And then down here is like the 85. Well, that says 80, but it's supposed to be 85. Right there. 85. So let's pull this down, guys, and make it bigger so you can see it. Okay, like this. See this? Now you can see it really, really well. So you've got the 12 and 85 over here that you have to maintain because that's the traffic area right now for the market. They keep going back to the same area. Once you get under the 85, it becomes kind of crazy down there, right? Because what they want to do is 85 goes down to the traffic area of 75 and 73, right? So this step down right here is 85, and it goes down to this right there. See that? So that's the bottom. Those are the bottom areas of the market that the bulls are trying to stay away from. Now, if we can stay above these boxes, we know these trades are going to hold long. Okay. That's why I keep calling the 12. That's why I keep calling the 94 because the 94 is right above my traffic box here at 85, right? And then you got the 85 here that goes down to 73. So we got to stay here, guys. We got to get back to 12 and push this. Now, what does 12 do, right? So you want to see the target off of 12, right? We want to see that, right? So let's step it up. Okay, so there's the 12, right? So we'll get off there. We're going to start building our blocks, guys, like we always do. It's right there, 35. There's your target right there. So all three of these boxes are target areas. 85, right? 80, you got 73, 75, 85, 12, and then you got 35. That is exactly what we're playing in right now, this whole area. And we got to maintain these areas. As long as we're not under this box right here and down to here, guys, right in here. As long as we're not down here, we're fine. As long as we hold the 12, we try to get 35. If we don't hold the 12, we're trying to pull back to 94 and 85. So that will kind of show you guys exactly what we're trying to do. 12 is that long that we're trying to get to go to 35, right? Now, above us is another problem. Okay. We know we have big trades up through here, right? So once you get to 35, guys, the bulls are trying to get to 90, like 92, 94. So this is what the bulls are wanting here. Right there. See that? That's exactly where the bulls want to go, is that big blue box. They want to get inside that blue box. That's another traffic area. But if we can't get in the blue box, guys, it won't happen, right? We got a whole. You have to stay inside of these blue areas. You know, you got to stay inside the blue box when you're long, or the blue box when you're short coming down, because we have traffic coming down also. So under the 85 down here, 85 traffic goes to 74, 73, like I said, then it drops to where? Remember I told you guys it dropped to earlier? This traffic box dropped from here. Right to my entry. See my entry at 58? That's the box below us. See this? Where I told you we didn't want to be? 58. 58 short we took twice, right? Makes sense, doesn't it? So now, guys, we're just gonna have to wait and hold here. I mean, I can't believe we haven't pushed it. So I really think this is gonna be a bunch of pullbacks today and up and back, because the bulls are not getting the targets. They're gonna have to come up here and do something quick. Because once 11 o'clock gets here, guys, it could be this afternoon. I mean, they could do something this afternoon, but right now they're just kind of stagnant. I mean, they got some good highs this morning. We made some good money, but you know, it's just like wow. I thought we would go a lot higher than we have. So we're going to scale and take profits, guys. Scale and take money. Remember, don't leave it on the table. Now you see here, like this. See this 85 right there, guys. There's your 85 right there. See that? See, this is where you bounce. You bounce 85 back to 12, right? Or 85 tries to go to 73, 74. We're just boxing it in this morning because it's so strange and tight. We'll just keep using our boxes and box it in. We want to know what those levels are. You know, what are they trying to trade off of? These are not permanent levels. These are right now for just now. But guys, the 12 is a permanent for today. 12 is going to be all day long. Okay. That 12 level is going to stick. 85, I think, will stick also today. Because we've come back to it so many times. And it's been a real feature for them. They just keep trying to work off that same momentum. They're trying to get that momentum going. They got to get momentum at the 12, guys. That's McCarron's favorite word, momentum. So shout out to McCarron for momentum, right? We need some momentum, guys. Send us some. Can somebody send some momentum to the chart? But we got to go up, man. Come on. This is getting ridiculous here. It's getting crazy. So, guys, remember, 85 pullback is the bounce to 12. So we got to maintain 85. As long as we're in here between the 92 94, we're fine also. I don't mark those little tiny levels because they're nothing. They're just retail levels. They're not concerning to me. 12 is concerning. 12 and 85. Wow, we have nobody in the chat. Unless there's something wrong with my YouTube channel. Is there anybody chatting? Because I don't see nothing. It's kind of crazy. I do appreciate it, guys. We have 106 people in here. It's beautiful. Okay, so this morning, guys, we are going to see. Okay, let's look at this down here. 9, 8. So, yeah, we'll give away that count here in about 10 minutes. See it coming back down, guys? Now watch. Watch this. See right there? See right here where we're at? Well, I tell you. So we scout out of this, guys. Now what you got to do is you want to wait right here, right? Because you're going to go either back long at 58 or you're going to sell at 58. See right here? You're either going to take this long or this short right there in the screen, guys. 58 long, 58 short. I'm going to mark them both for you so you'll see them. See, look. It's 58 long, 58 short. I'm hoping we short here. I would like to see this short come through finally, but we'll see. Now, we got to wait, though, because it's probably going to pull back again. Let's see if it pulls back to 58, guys. Because it's going to be 58 long if it goes back. There it is. See the 58 long? Right there. You guys see that 58 long right here, right? Now what? Can they get 58 short? See? 58, perfect. You got longs and shorts at 58, guys. There's a long there. There's a short there, okay? I'm just showing you right now. I'm not even trading this. So we want 58 long, 58 short. Okay, so if you got 58 long, you just did really well on that trade. Now watch. It's going to try to do the same thing again. Watch. Watch. See that? 58. Now remember, if it goes back long to 58, that's our 58 long, guys. 58 long, 58 short. Easy. It's perfect, man. So now, can these bulls let these bears have this down here to our target? Where's our target, guys? We want 24 target low, okay? So if you're trading 58 short, we're looking for 24. If not, we're going back 58 long. All right, guys? We're trying to get to 24 down here. But I do know I think, now we could establish a different target if we wanted to. So, guys, what we can do also is we can take 58 to 44 now, okay? 58 to 44, which goes to 24, okay? So what's 58, 44, 24, and 24 take us down to about 900 or 901. As long as we're under the 40 that I made. Let's go. 24. The pullback is 44. Look at this. We got close, guys. Very close. Very close. Look at that. Boom. There it is. Hit it. Now we're trying to get down to 901. 901 about 901 up 901 to 898. And then what Barry's wanting to do is get to this 8, about this 885, 86 down here. Right. You see this red line? Right, right there. That's exactly the Bears want to go to the red line because they got friends waiting on them. Again, third short of the day. Perfect short, guys. 58, 44, 24. Short. There's a short at 24. There's a short at 44 now. Okay. Remember, guys, we take profits, you lock contracts out because guess what's going to happen? We're going to go back on again. And that's what we want to do. We're just going to use this 58. I'm trying to click off my chart there. I didn't get a chance to show you guys as long as I was trying to get out of that one. So look at this right there. See this? There it is. Same thing, guys. 58. It's either 58 long, 58 short. It's printing like an ATM. It's a beautiful thing. But see how you can just go in, guys, at certain levels in the market when you know where they're at and just extract money. You take money, take money, take money. Now this today is a little hard and a little tricky. Yesterday was so easy. One trade yesterday, 400 points, no big deal. Today you're going to have to fight these areas where you're going to have to get in, make your money, and get out. Get in, make your money, and get out. And then when people don't know that entry, guys, they go long and get nailed. They go short too late, they get nailed. You have to know exactly how to establish your trading plan, but you can't establish a trading plan if things are in the market are working like this against you. So you got to trade with somebody who knows these areas, and show you, hey, look, this is where we need to be or not need to be. Like this 58's perfect down here for a long and short. And I'm already out of this one, guys. I'm just waiting around talking to you guys. But the thing about it is, if we can get the 58 short, we know we can make money there, right? 58.44. And look at it. Here it comes again. Same thing. And that's what you want to see every time. But it's going to pull back and forth. If it gets above 44, guys, it's going to pull back to the top. It's going to go back up to 58. So that's a given. See, look, right there. Every single time. I got 60 this time. I think I got 61. 61, 62, don't matter. Anyway, 58, guys. Watch the 58 long and short. It's beautiful because no one knows it's there, but we do, right? It's hilarious. We know. Nobody else does. The rest of the market's all getting torched right here. They're getting torched, guys. So wait, we're going to wait. See, look. Again, same thing. See how they're trying to come back? They go low, they come back, they go low, they come back, they go low, they come back. I'm just trying to get my entry to be at 58. That's all I'm trying to do. If I can't get the entry at 58, I'm not going to go long. So I'm waiting like 59 to go long, guys. So if I'm just waiting around 59, it's going to go back long. I'm just going to wait at 59, 59.60. So will it go back up there is the question. That's what we want to do, guys. We want to get back up there and say, hey, just give us back what we want. Because we already know that 58 and 61, or no, excuse me, 58 and 59 both now are going to turn. 59 is really the turn, guys. Once she steps to 59, she's going to turn green again. Well, actually, the Bulls will take back, but see how we're playing games? This is all money game, guys. That's all it is. They're trying to take money from people, right? So what we're going to do is we're just going to wait. We're going to wait and see if we can get this long. And I'm not in this trade, guys. I'm just showing you guys. I'm not in this one. I'm waiting. I'll just go ahead and clear it. I already know it's 58. So there's really no sense me leaving it on there to show you. You already know. I've told you a million times, right? 44, guys. 44 short needs to wear 24. See how they got the 44 short? Now they're coming trying to get back to 24. Now we know we can take a 24 short, but 24 short's dangerous. But we could take it if it would hold. But also 24 could be a long here, guys. Watch 24 long. See if it taps 24 and pulls back long. Look at that. Ooh. Now let me show you another little trick. Let's go right here, guys. Watch. Okay, so we are waiting to 24. I'm going to show you guys how to fight your bears with your bulls. What I call stacking. Okay, we're going to wait till we get back to 44 or 24. We are going to go long at 24. Right here. See this? Now, if this long holds, we would take 24 long, guys. This is what the big guys will do to the people all day long. They will stack the 24 long to try to get back to 44 long. So see, when I'm showing you an example, guys. When you're coming short in these markets, people are going long against you, right? They're trying to turn the market, but we just got 901. I do believe, like I called earlier. We did. All right. All we're trying to get is 85, guys. right down here, this 85, that red line. We want to break that red line down there for that major short. Right there. Right there. Right here. This is the one we're looking for right there. Oh, what am I doing? Sorry, guys. I wasn't supposed to be in the long. Sorry. I was looking at the screen. So we want to go short at the red line 85, guys. If we can get this line to come down, where's our target from here, guys? Where's this target for the Bears? Well, the Bears have established a target low down here. They want the 40 down here, guys. Look, they want this one right here, right about there. Okay, that's where they're trying to get to. They would love to see that 40 down there, guys. This is where they want to get. They want to get from 85 down to like 41, 42. This is a nice big pullback for them. And remember, they got under the area we wanted to get under. So they established that big giant short up there at the top on this massive pullback at 58. So there's a big pullback in this, guys. I mean, you've got a pullback of this now. You can actually pull back 300 points from here with nothing to stop you. But as way as it's been today, who knows? But you could have a massive pullback in this market now if they hold this. But we're not going to guarantee they are going to say that. But we do know that 40 is the target, and that's what we're looking for this morning, is getting that 40. So just think about holding it, getting out, scaling out, keeping your profits, guys. We are trying to get to that 40 down there. Now, if we get down here, guys, I think we're really trying to get to 40, 41, right? And then we're trying to get from 40, 41 to 33. So we need 40 and 33 down here. So we need to stay up here, and we need to get from this line to I think it's 33 right here. Right there. See that? This is where we need to be right here. We kind of need to be down this way. So see how the Bulls are trying to fight us? Now, where are the Bulls going to try to get that long again, guys? Remember that target we first had, the 901? The 901 is where the Bulls want to go back to, okay? They want that 901. So we take money off this trade and we wait to see if we get the 901. But if it doesn't break the 901, it's going to be 901 short. See right here? So we know 901 is the long and short, guys. 901 now establishes long and short. So what's the 901 for the big pullback for the Bulls or the short for the Bears? 901, guys. It's one or the other. There is no other way around this. They got to establish the 901. Now the 901 target, if it does go long, guys, if you go long at 901, you're looking for a target of 901 to 924. Now, if you're looking for a 901 soft target, that's going to be 87. Okay, 887. So 901 to 87 trade, 901 to 924 trade. So here we go. Can we stay under the 85? We're trying, guys. You see how we had to really, really, really negotiate today and we got to be perfect on what we're trading at. Because if you're not, guys, you're going to get murdered today. We really just got to watch what we're doing and only trade the certain key areas around the areas we know. Because if we don't, guys, this is murder. There's going to be so many people today that blow accounts. See this? We're right going back to 901. Look at that. Perfect, right? The 901 always comes back, guys, for that long and short. But we're still not getting that push off 901 long. It goes to like 906. So every time we go long short at 901, I'm just going to take the shorts at 901. I'm still trying to get 85 to hold, though, so I can get that big move south. And we're just not doing it. Oh, mercy. Let's go. Come on, Bears. You know what it is, guys? Bears are scared. They're scared to go short because they've been killed so many times trying. People are scared now. There's a lot of fear in the market. People are kind of scared to go long and short right here because they kind of lost where am I supposed to be, right? I don't know if something's wrong with my chat or what. I haven't seen a word on the chat this morning. This is great. I did see that this morning where somebody said, "This is great." That was awesome. Mike goes long and out short. Hell yeah. That was Aussie. Way to go, Aussie. How you doing, man? Sorry, guys. I hadn't seen a lot of this, anything on this thing, so I didn't really get to respond to a lot of you guys this morning. I'm just seeing it now, but I don't know why my chat wasn't coming up great this morning. Apologize for that. Any chances you can use your mouse to make marks, drawings, or show us what you're thinking? Yes, Sinister. If you're still on here, Sinister, I do it every day. Oh, there we go. Good man. The 2-day watching you print. Yeah, way to go, Aussie. So it's on, guys. I'm seeing it now. It just came up again. But for some reason, it's really kind of weird. But hey, look, you're coming right now where I told you guys. Look at it. Look at this. Look at that right there. What I tell you, that was our target. Look at that. What we're trying to do now is we're trying to get down here and establish under this other box right here, right? Because this would be a great place to be down here. Just about probably, I'm thinking they're going to lower this to about right here, right there. See that? That's what they really want, but can they get it? But we hit our target, guys. We hit the target. Perfectly hit. Now we got to hit that target and go through it, or we just take the money, scale out and take money. So what we do, guys, is we come in here. We already hit a target. We know that, right? So let's go over here and 5. There. Leave 1. We're just leaving 1 in. We're just going to take all that money out and leave 1 because now we'll put a break even at the 901 or 902. You can put a break even, go take a shower, or whatever. If she breaks low at the 26 down there, though, we can always add contracts and go deeper, right? So we want to get this 26 to fade because I would like to see 26 come in here down to about the somewhere probably. I'm thinking like probably over here somewhere. Let's see, where is this? right there to the yellow box. We want to get all the way through these little areas down here, guys. These are the traffic areas that the bulls made earlier, right? So now the bears got to come through the same traffic that the bulls went through, okay? I don't use fibs, Dom. Sorry, man. Come on, we got to keep the 100 people. Let's go. You got 96 paying that toll. There you go, brother. See how she's coming down to the box, guys? Now, I expect her to try to drop from that blue box top bottom right here, the blue box, the bottom to into the yellow. Like, boom. That's what we're waiting on. Where is our area of concern? Right? Right here. See that right there? 40. 40 will be a short. 40 is a long. Okay. 40 short, 40 long right here. Because the bulls know the bears are using that area. Okay. See what I mean? Of the pullback. And why do they do that? Because I'll show you why. Where's it at? Right here. Okay. This is why. Because the bulls want to go long right here and get back to right there. And that's why they're doing it. So you got to be under 40, guys. We have to stay under 40. See what I mean by staying under 40? If you took 40 long, you just got like 20 points. Well, can we go back down? Question. Can we get back down under 40, guys? Do y'all see Mary on the screen? See Mary? There's your Mary. There's old Mary right here. See the big L? Here's the break of it right here. Here's our other short right there. Perfect. Lines up perfect. But now the Bulls could be using this now until they break this as a protection zone right here. You've got to be under the 805, 804, right? So now we know 40 is long, and if we don't break 40, it's going to pull back. It's pretty cool. Peter, in the yellow box right there, if it breaks down to the bottom and doesn't break that box, exactly right. So when it comes down here, guys, and bounces off the 40, if it don't break this, it's a long pullback. If it goes down here to like the 24, 26, don't break that, it's going to pull back to the 40, right? So if it gets back under the 24 here and hits the 5 and doesn't break the 5, you can expect it to pull back to about 26. So yeah, there's longs all down through here, Steve. Like at the bottom and tops of these boxes, every bottom and every top is a long and short, right? You see the map we're drawing now? So I'm just trying to map it out. So I'm letting you guys see what I'm thinking. and it works perfect this way because it's good visual. I want to see it break this though and really go. That's what I'd like to see, but this could fail. The bears could fail here and go right back up. Now, what are we looking for later, guys? 960. So right here. Well, it's actually right here, 58 again. Right here. See that little 58 marker? Right there. That's where the bulls are going to take the market back. 58, like they did earlier. It's the same place we were earlier. 58. 958, guys. If the bulls come back to 958, they're going to grab the market right back to the bears again. So just remember that today. It's going to be there all day long. Come on, bears. Are you going to make a move? Whew. Sorry, guys. Yawning. Look at that. Right back to 85. Look at this. You see how they come down here, guys, and touch the bottom right here? Went long right here. It's exactly what I told you they do. Now they're either going to come short right here and go back down, or they're going to go long right here and try to get to my entry, and then they're going to try to get to here. Right? That's crazy. So let's put what was that? 85. So it's right here. So this goes back, this little pullback right here, guys, goes back for now, since they've kind of changed it on us. It goes back from here to right there. See that? See where my entry's at? You see where these bears want to be? They want to get my entry at the 2, right? Because this right here establishes another long, okay? And that long goes to where? This long here goes back to right there. Then that long comes back to where? Here. And this long or short will come back to right back to where our arrow is. See that, guys? Now you guys see how everything kind of ties in on your chart, how everything's stacked, right? So you got all these levels right here. See this short right here? There's a short long right here that goes back to here. Or it goes short and tries to get back down to here, right? So if we go back long here, we're going to try to get to here. If we go long here, we're going to try to get to there. Or short back to here. See how they're just kind of fighting themselves today with this? Yep, inner charge. You're right. So, guys, you can see what we're working on, how we're laying all this out in color for you. Now you can see everywhere that we backtracked and been to, and you can see now where every place that we look at is detailed out for us to see. See the 85? The 85 is that long pullback, right? 901. Now watch. I got my break even right here. It's going to hit it. It's going to hit it, guys. More than likely. Boom, it hit it. Now watch this. So you see the 901? Watch the 901, guys. Watch. Watch the 901 at 85 because she's going to go back to 85 off 901, or they're going to try to establish the 901 long right here. See the 901 long? I think mine's like the 4. I think I got 2. I'm trying to show you guys. It's hard to show you watch too. So we're going to try to get the 901 long if we can. Or we can go 90 long. We can go 901 short back down to 85. Okay. Now, if 85 holds, what do? I'm taking 75 long. So just that was like, okay, just take that real fast. Okay, so here we go. Sorry, guys. So look at the 80 right here. See this red line, 85. The 85 long goes back to 901. If we get under that, you're going to go short or try to go short. So the market right now, guys, is being really stubborn about where it wants to be. So this is, like I'm saying, dangerous to trade. Very dangerous to trade in here because they're playing games until we get something established. And you can see all the places we've been by the screen over here, man, that I'm showing you guys. Look at all the places that we've been and come through that are just absolutely like craziness. See this? I'd like to see it pull down to here and bounce back or either stay short. You know, we need to stay short under 26 down here. We need to be down here at 26, right in here, 25, 26, right here, and go just and go. But until we do this, it's just going to sit here and play. See what? Now here it comes down to this line again, all over. Now watch and see if we get a pullback here, guys. Watch. See the pullback? We're not getting it to break that area, guys. We got to come through that. If we don't come through it, it's going to pull back on you. See, watch this 44, 45, 43. Right here. See that? Oh, there we go. Come through it. There we go. That's beautiful. Now, right here, guys, is where the bears need to make their move. 26. If they can, it's going to go long. Right there. See right there? We've got to be right there to get this short to work at 26. If we can't, it's going to go long. Okay. If it don't reach the 26, he's going to pull back to the top of the blue box. See what I mean? There's your pullback. So we're trying to get them to stay at 26 short. If we can't get 26 short, guys, we take 26 long, right? So what you guys will know. Or we can take 40 long also right here. And you can take 40 short. But we want the 26 though. We really want to establish the 26. Right there. And there it is. Yeah. There you go. 26, baby. What did I tell you about the 26? And that's what we want right there. The 26 short. I told you guys. Now this target on this coming down, we should try to get down here to about 75 now. Okay. We should be right about there. Let's go. See what I mean, guys? Knowing where the entry's at, man. That was a great entry. You're right, Mike. Thank you, B Trader. 26 is beautiful, guys. Remember though, we don't want to go back to 26 because it's going to go long there probably. But take the money, guys. Scale out, take money. What I'm doing. I don't think we can hold these today. We're just going to take our money and get out of this. We just got to go. Take money and run. See, look, there it is again. Now watch. They're going to try to hold that 26. They're either going to go long here or they're going to go back short. And we'll take it again. We'll take more money. We'll take 4. We'll come back. We'll grab 1,500 out of this. 14, whatever we come back, pull back on. Or if it gets 3,000, we'll take it and cut it. If it doesn't break the bottom box, guys, on the screen, it's a 4 and 5. We know you got to take profits. Yeah, right there about the 4 and 5. See that? Come on, let's go back to the bottom. If we can't get back to the bottom, guys, guess what? We just take profits. We need to be under 4 here. I think actually we need to be under, yeah, 4 and 798. Right there. So, guys, I hit my stop, as you guys know. Stop game. Let's go. Let's just roll. So we know that 26 is the short again, right? So 26 short, 26 long. Now, the Bulls would like to see them push this back to where? The 41, 40, 40, 41, because the Bulls want that long at 41. See? See that? Right there. And there he goes. Gone, 41. See, guys, how we use little areas to trade in? We go 26 short, 41 long, 26 short, 41 long, 5 long, 5 short, 4 short. You know, it all lines up what we're doing. No, you missed the giveaway. Nick, are you in here? Is Nick in the chat? Or one of the guys? Okay, good. He's in here. Okay, so what we're gonna do, guys, I want you to tell me for a free 50K account, where do you think the biggest target for the Bears is today? And it's not where we're at right now, I can tell you that. So give me some numbers, look at your charts, and tell me where you think the Bears' big target is today. First person to get it gets a free account starting right now. Where do you think their big target is, guys? Where is the Bears' big target? I mean, this is the big target. Where is it? Okay? Nope. 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 So far, no one's got it. No one's got it. No one has it yet, guys. Where is the Bears' big target low for the day? Where is it? Just today. Where's the big target low for today? Where do they want to go? I guess Nick might as well take a stab at it. All right, guys, you've got exactly 1 minute. Nobody's even. Somebody got close, but not. It's not there. No one has it, guys. Nope. No pivot. Sorry, vodka. Little hint there. Somebody just got really close. Whoa, man, really close. I'm gonna go back up and make sure I didn't hit it while I was checking my chart. Nope. Oh, man, you guys, you guys are really close. Some of you guys are so close, it's scary, you know? Okay, I'm gonna make it easier for you. Just and only for the last 15 seconds, I'll make it really easy. Okay, it's gonna be in the 29,000 area, but it's gonna be in the 29,500 area. So where's it at? So I'm gonna count down, guys. It's gonna be in the 29 fives. Where at in the five? Where is it? 29.5 what? Boom, right there. We just got a winner. Rich B1 or Rich, I think it's Rich 14, Rich B 1425. Rich B 1425. 29 592 is that bear target today. That's the one they want, guys. That's exactly the target we started from yesterday on the big long. So I'm just letting y'all know. So that's where they want to reach back and go right back to, guys. They want to be back to 592. 29 592 is a really good hard pullback. You can mark 29 592 on your chart for today and tomorrow. It's not going to be permanent, but it will work because they're going to try to get back there if the Bears want this market. If it does get back there and it doesn't fade short, it's going to go long there again. Okay. So I'm just letting you guys know. It's 592. 592 is beautiful, guys. It's an area that we know where we had the Bulls had to take the market back months ago from the Bears. I've got 592 marked on my chart, and I had it marked yesterday because of that. I think that level is going to hold, guys, probably for the rest of the week. I really do until the Bears hit it. If they hit it, it might go away. But if they don't hit it, it will stick with us. So you can mark 29 592 on your chart, guys, because Rich did you guys a favor and gave you that level, right? So not only do you win an account, guess what? You know a level that you can hold for the rest of the week, probably. All righty, guys. So it's time for me to get off of here. It's 11 o'clock. So is there anybody how'd you guys do today? Everybody have fun today? How's everybody doing today? You guys have a good time? Everybody get green? How many people are green? Are you guys green? I hope so. Hope you guys are all green. I hope so. Hope you guys are all green. How do you claim it? Just I'll have Nick reach out to you, Rich B, 1425, and have him tell you where to go. I'll have Nick reach out to Rich B, 1425, and have him tell you where to go. So, Leather, if you're having a hard time with your PA this morning, or is that your P and L? I don't want your PA, your P and L. I mean, what are you talking about, PA? Or is that your P and L? I don't want your PA, your P and L. I mean, what are you talking about, PA? Yeah, make sure you guys join our Discord too. A lot of stuff on there, and we just had a lab yesterday. There's always a lot of stuff on there, guys. You're gonna have me trading with you in the mornings, 9 to 11. You're gonna have coaches come on here, 11 to 1. I think Justin's coming on in a few minutes. I'm pretty sure, or someone is maybe. And then you've got labs during the days. We've got coaches that come here at night. I mean, it's a really good place to be, guys, for trading. I enjoy trading. I enjoy showing you guys. You're red. That's okay, man. Don't worry about it, Leather. Don't worry about it. I tell you what, man. If you guys will look, Leather, if you guys will just look at that 40 down there. Look at that 840. Okay. Every time it comes to 840 today, guys, if she doesn't short, she's gonna pull back long every single time today. You're gonna be looking for 840 back to 885. Okay. You can cut your profit wherever you want to, but that's exactly what you're looking for, Leather. Those 40, that 4026 down below you. If it goes to 4026 and it doesn't break the 4026 or the 4, guys, 804. 804, 826, 840. Today, if it doesn't break that shit, you can go long there all day long, okay? Now, if she gets under that, 801 area and down and starts fading down to 798, she might go short there. But hey, the Hope bottom down there is a great place to be. And remember, guys, you're not allowed to stream my stream, and you're not allowed to call trades from me to your screen because we've caught people doing it in the past, and we do always monitor that. We monitor other people. So just letting you know, just don't do it. Okay. Anyway, we've had a great day. I've had a fun time with you guys this morning. It's been beautiful. I hope everybody's profitable. But remember, guys, if you don't break the lows, you're going to pull back on you. I mean, that's just the way it's set up today. Okay, for me to repeat it, it's going to be 840, right? Right here. Right there, 840 long, 826 long, and about 804 long. Okay? So you got 40, 26, and 04. All three of those are pullbacks for the Bulls. Okay. The Bulls they don't want them breaking that. They want to establish that and just keep pushing them back, pushing them back, pushing them back. So that's what you're going to happen. Hey, you're welcome. You're welcome. I have HGD and I hear things twice. Hilarious. I hear you. I do the same thing sometimes. So you guys see the 85 up here? What's that red line at 85? 85 is another place that you want to go back on too long. 85 long goes to 901, right? So they're just going to keep trying to push back and forth today, guys. Be careful with your account because this has really been kind of hard to trade today. But we did really well. We took a 6, a 7, a 9, a 4, a couple of 2500s. So we didn't do as much as we did yesterday to 67,000, but we did do a lot today. Alrighty, guys. So it's time for me to go. And I'm going to log off. And I hope you guys have a beautiful morning. I will be back on the morning at 9:15, 9:20. I'm always in by 9:20, guys. So if you're here at 9:15, don't see me, don't panic. I'm always here by 9:20 and try to get this thing rolling, okay? So with that said, guys, hope you have a wonderful day and have a blessed day. And I will see you guys in the morning, okay? Also, later, we're working on some stuff later, guys. I might come on some Fridays. But right now, we're just doing Monday through Thursday, but we'll get into that later on. But anyway, you guys have a blessed day. I'm proud of you guys for hanging out with me all day. I'm glad that people want to learn how to trade and try to be a professional at this. And that's why I'm here, guys. I'm not here for me. I'm here for you, right? Trying to get you guys that funded account so you can be a funded trader and stay in it for a long period of time, year after year after year. Okay? So that said, guys, I appreciate you too, Senator. You guys have a great day. I love you. Love you too, guys. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.